How to get Wise Virtual Card. Want to shop online or pay in store without waiting for your physical card? Let's see how to get and use the Wise Virtual Card. So first and foremost, go ahead and head over into the cards section. So in here, you'd be able to find the cards you currently have. So you can order a new card for your physical card or a digital only card. So the digital only card lives online and works everywhere. So you can get this instantly and get all of its details once you click on this. This card has different details from your physical card, adding extra security. For online shopping, you need to enter your Wise virtual card details at checkout. Wise automatically converts currencies at the real exchange rate, saving you hidden fees. For in-store purchases, add your Wise virtual card to Google Pay or Apple Pay, unlock your phone, tap it near the contactless terminal, and the payment goes through instantly. You can freeze or unfreeze your virtual card anytime in the app. It's perfect for safer online shopping, subscriptions, and travel. And that is how to get your Wise virtual card.